A suit with no tie isn't wrong, but there are traps that could make you look off. Here are the 3 fail-proof ways to successfully wear a suit without a tie. No tie means your shirt is fully exposed at the lapel area, so you want to make sure the shirt is fully capable of carrying your suit without a tie. That's best achieved if you consider the right shirt's texture. A slightly textured shirt conveys an intentional and stylish approach to suit dressing. Think linen shirts, linen cotton blends, herringbone, Oxford cloth button-downs, pinpoint Oxford shirts, chambray, etc. All of these have some texture, suggesting they work independently of a tie. A sleek shirt with almost no texture visible, like a poplin, is a fine dress shirt, but it's best suited for a tie outfit and would look out of place if you left out the tie. The texture of a shirt is a subtle feature, but it's a big differentiator if you really want to nail that no-tie look properly. Also, while white works, you may try light blue, lilac, pink and patterns such as stripes to add more visual variety under your suit jacket. No tie also means your shirt collar needs to stand on its own, framing your face that would otherwise be supported by your tie. So you need to make sure the collar supports your frame. The semi-spread, the spread, the cutaway and the button-down collar all work without a tie. A solid interlining in the collar makes it stand upright and look intentional. It will look perfectly natural without a tie. A classic grey or navy suit without a tie seems like the first thing you'd try, but there's actually one way to make it work best. The secret ingredient is texture again. Texture looks intentional and natural because it shows that the suit was made for a relaxed approach, which allows for skipping the tie. It carries visual weight that your outfit needs without a tie. Classics such as grey or navy absolutely work without a tie. Just make sure they are not very fine worsteds and super 100+ fabrics. They are too dressy and require a neat tie. Instead, go with textured linen, cotton and wool fabrics such as high twist, gabardine, corduroy and flannel. As for single or double-breasted, the single-breasted worn unbuttoned is the classic no-tie choice, and it's well-earned advice. But if you're drawn to double-breasteds, don't let their reputation for formality put you off. Keep the suit textured and follow the same shirt rules, and a DB without a tie still looks sharp and intentionally relaxed. This isn't about right or wrong, it's about attitude and confidence. So there you have it, the straightforward practical tips that will make your suit shine even without a tie, especially available in warm weather when you want to avoid an extra tie layer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.